Moncler Isles offers exceptional living with simply better management and affordable rates. Our attractive and distinctive property has perfectly manicured garden areas and a lakeside view. Have some fun in the sun at our 2 swimming pools with sun decks. Take a nap in a hammock. Or enjoy the lakeside barbecue and picnic area while watching the sunset. There's a large playground with a variety of games, plus a fitness center and club lounge. You and your pet will immediately feel at home in any of our deluxe studio 1- and 2-bedroom loft layouts, each featuring fresh, relaxing spaces with large windows, a private patio or balcony, spacious walk-in closets, a well-equipped kitchen, dining area, and bright bathrooms with theatrical lighting and soaking tubs. Our Northwest Tampa location boasts quick access to outstanding recreational attractions, medical facilities, shopping centers, and highways. For a simply better way of living, reserve your residence today at Moncler Isles.